Hello darlings, today we're gonna do a very sexy, glowing, natural makeup look which will be perfect for a date or for a photo shoot, so let's start. First we should prepare our skin. I've applied my eye cream, my face cream, and now I applied this oil from the Body Shop. About 4 drops, and I use it all over the face. Next step is foundation, and I'm using Erborian BB cream. I guess it's the most possible natural looking foundation with really good coverage. I applied first with my fingers, blend it really well where I need it. And then I use a sponge to blend it all. So next I use this palette from Hourglass. I use these 2 powders all over my face, a thin layer. And then I use the bronzer. I first take the excess on the back of my hand and start to bronze the face. We should bronze this area underneath the eyebrow and go to the cheekbone. And also we should bronze the temples. Don't use much product at the same time. You can just blend it with the fingers. A little bit onto the nose over here. We do not apply the bronzer underneath the cheekbone, we apply it onto the highest point where the sun would kiss our skin. Now I take the blush from this Hourglass palette. I'm gonna take this color. It's something like, dusty rose with a little bit of peachiness, and I use it onto the highest points of my cheeks, and again I go up to the temple and the nose and underneath the eyebrow over here. Now the highlighter. For the highlighter I'm gonna use the same palette from Hourglass. Here it is, a very nice champagne color. And I'm gonna use just a little bit of this Erborian pencil just into the corners of my eyes. Next, the eyebrows, just the fixing gel to lift them up. A little bit of contouring with Bahama Mama from the Balm, just to emphasize the cheekbones a little bit. Now we move to the eyes. I use the Balm palette, and I'm gonna use this caramelly shade all over the eyelids to make other eyeshadows blend really well and to soften the edges. Next I'm using the Balm palette, and I use this shade It's like orangey metallic. I use it all over the eyelid, but mostly concentrate over here. I do not go like to the eyebrow, just onto the eyelid. And I also take a little bit of the inner corner. And I want to darken the outer corners with this color. Just a little bit over here. And I just doing something like, you know, wing. Just from the outer corner and blend it out. And as we have all these bronzers on our face, I decided to do something like a pop of color of a green color. I will use this gorgeous palette with Mermaid, and I'm gonna use well, maybe this shimmery green color, and I use it over here just into the center of the lower eyelid. Into the center I want to add some more sparkles. And now the freckles. I guess I'm gonna use this color with the tiniest brush, like tiniest brush. You start to draw your freckles. And after that, you just press them with your fingers. I'm sorry for that noise. There are so many repairs in our house. I'm used to it, but I know that it's a little bit annoying for you maybe. So this pencil was from the NYX, and for my lipstick I'm gonna use Lisa Eldridge. So that's the finished look. Also let me know what you want to see next, and see you soon. Bye!